So you're trying to get chiseled. What do you do? Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can go from skinny fat to shredded and chiseled. You have to be honest about where you're at. Step 1, get into the gym and create an exercise plan to build your muscle mass. Muscle burns fat. Spending countless hours in the gym without seeing any visible results is very daunting. Muscle is a byproduct of strength and time under tension and time under load. As you get stronger while building a more focused mind-muscle connection and intensity, the more muscle you're going to build and the leaner you're going to get. Now, resistance training is essential to maintain and to build muscle. This will literally drive the golden key into the vaulted doors to unlock your body's full potential to maintain and build incredible amounts of muscle. To create the physique that you want, you must load the muscle in a certain way to produce a stimulus, creating hypertrophy, which is the growth of the muscle. Step number 2, get proper nutrition. You cannot starve yourself. I look at someone like Al Roker, who's lost a tremendous amount of weight. But one thing that you'll never see is him with a shirt off. Because what happens is you end up looking like a deflated balloon. You lose mostly muscle. The protein that you are losing is being filtered through your bloodstream and kidneys because it's cannibalizing itself, which means you're burning muscle. This also means you can end up with heart disease and kidney issues, along with many other things. Don't get me wrong, you will lose fat as well. But as soon as you introduce a piece of bread or you go off your diet, you will blow up like a balloon. This is not a reasonable way to live. We do not starve ourselves because this action is not sustainable. This will leave you back to where you started, feeling stuck and frustrated. Instead, I want you to focus on bringing your body into a fat burning state, allowing it to become fat adapted. So when you're talking about losing stubborn fat permanently, it's imperative to connect eating the right foods to the perfect window of time to eat them within. This will drastically help you bring your body back into a fat burning state and allow you to become fat adapted. And that's going to make losing stubborn fat permanently easy for you. Skipping this rule can cost you results. Step 3, track your progress not by your weight, but how your body is looking and transforming and developing. I had to get it out of my head from day one that this was not just about losing weight. I needed to dial in my attention to focusing more on my body composition and how my body was physically transforming. One mistake I see people making is they're only looking at the weight on the scale. They're neglecting to see all the progress that they are making on the reduced waistline, their back, their rear delts, etc. I recommend taking weekly progress pics and videos of your front, back, and side. Use this to make sure that you're actually making real progress, because you can oftentimes miss this and that can be discouraging. Thinking that you failed and you're stuck, and it's absolutely not the case. It is true that you want to get to your ideal body weight. However, to achieve the shredded physique that you desire, you need to be more lean and at a lower body fat percentage. To accomplish this, you need to optimize your approach to improve your body composition. Many people struggle to get rid of the skinny fat look. With resistance training and proper nutrition, I can guarantee that you'll get rid of that skinny fat look and be much happier with your body. Got more questions? Leave them in the comment section below and I'll answer them for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys soon.